Hi, I'm Gospel Eze and this is another video on Mathbuilder. Last week we released four new input types: polynomials, vectors, quadratics, and linears. This week I'm excited to share we've released a new category of type which is called visualizations. What are visualizations? Visualization are simply nodes that show things. They don't just show you output, they don't just show you input, they rather show you the visuals. And the first type we add into this category is the graph. Now, when I say graph, I simply mean graph the way you know it. A way for you to take nodes, connect to this visualization node or this graph visualization node, and it shows you the graph, right? So as a lifelong student of math, I've always used tools like Desmos, GeoGebra, and the likes. And I've always enjoyed how they just allow you to show things quickly. And this feature really means a lot to me because I don't just get to use other tools. Now I can use my own tool for the thing I would normally use on daily basis for my math study. So yeah, let's get into the demo and I'm going to show you how to use it. This is the first visualization node I talked about, which is the graph. So let's bring out the graph. You see it's pretty big. Let's take it somewhere here. So let's get our polynomial. So now we just connect our polynomial to the graph. You see you have your graph. So it's just like you have, like it would look like in any of these platforms. And then if let's say update it a bit, let's say make it a 3-degree polynomial, you see we have the new polynomial. And let's say I add something else. Let's add the quadratic. You see it's a quadratic. It adapts to the theme, let's add something else. Let's add a linear, which is just supposed to be a line. So it is a line. Let's add a vector. Last week I talked about how expressive Mathbuilder is and it doesn't restrict you. Let's add a vector to this to show how, so now this is a vector. Let's make this a bit smaller. And I add a vector to this. Okay, it's a zero vector, so it doesn't show anything, but actually let me give it value. So let's say 1, 2, 3. As you can see, we have our vector in here. So this is this straight line that goes upward. Actually this should have an arrow, and we're going to fix that. So yeah, this is the graph. As you can see, the polynomial, the quadratic, the linear. I can decide to hide some of them. I'm only showing the vector. I can bring it back, so yeah. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.